Alright guys, so before I put my wig on, I'm going to put on my stocking. I almost put on 2 stocking caps, but when I had on 2 stocking caps yesterday, my head felt really tight. So I love these flesh tone stocking caps. Milo, stop. Jonathan, go and put back him leash. Put it back. Put it back. We'll soon walk him. Put it back. We'll soon walk Milo. We'll soon come. We'll soon come. So these flesh tone stocking caps really mimics the scalp. So I prefer to wear these rather than my usual black that I would normally wear. And I found this out accidentally. So I have the hair twisted up, so the wefts are twisted and the closure is, I plait the closure, and that's because the closure, the curl is not, I don't say I have to do a lot, but the curl is just not as luscious as the wefts, right? So I plait up the closure just to keep it, and then I have everything else twisted, all the wefts twisted. So as I'm doing this, I'm just gonna tell you guys about the hair. This is their, oh my, I think it's Brazilian loose wave, but I know it's Brazilian hair. When I got the hair, I was like, this is coarse, you know, not like hella coarse, but it just wasn't as silky. And I was telling my friend yesterday, Jimbe, who follow me on Snapchat, you know who Jimbe is. I was telling Jimbe yesterday that I believe that virgin hair, they get better with age, basically, because when you just get them, they're very silky and flowy, but the longer you have it, the more it behaves like real hair, like it gets a bit more textured and stuff. So I get, so that's fine by me. But really I really don't like the Brazilian texture because everybody have it. I like more Malaysian, Cambodian, you know, Eurasian, the ones that people don't really go for. But apparently for Brazilian is AnnaBelle's specialty, because I guess that's the #1 seller. So that's why I have so much of their Brazilian hair, Brazilian and Peruvian. This is their wavy hair. To this day I still get in shedding. I made the wig probably last week. I made it for Mother's Day. Today is a Friday, I think 5 days after Mother's Day, I would say. So yeah, shedding, of course I still get in shedding because I haven't washed the hair as yet. You know, I have to cut the wefts. So the technique I used for this though, I did my hair to make this wig is I did the fold over method only cut when I got to the top. So I zoomed out a little bit so you guys can see the hair in its full lusciousness. I mean, it's just so juicy and curly. It's extremely soft. I don't know, you guys know that I don't like wavy hair, but I'm like, you know what, because when they had said it, I was like, I really don't want any wavy hair, can I have a straight hair please? They're like, no, you know, let's try with the wavy. I'm like, I don't like wavy hair, I don't like how it looks, I do not like how it looks on me, but I am kind of feeling myself, honey. It's nice. So this is all one length except the closure. The closure is, I believe, 20 inches, yes, and the wefts are 22 inches all around, like, and it's nice and full. I have just a little bit of the hair, the weft left, and I keep on saying weft, so I have a little bit of the hair left. I like when my hair is used at the top here. It's gorgeous, nah? Oh my gosh, this is pretty. This is really pretty, you guys. This is really pretty. Alright, so I have nothing bad to say about this hair. Just had to come by, let you guys know what is what. I have been wearing this now for a couple of days. I've had it for a week, and as I said, the only thing I noticed is that, hopefully you can see in the pictures, the closure was looking like semi-straight and then the rest of the hair would look kind of luscious, you know what I mean? So that's what I mean by the closure not maintaining the curl. Well, I didn't say it, but the closure does not maintain the curl pattern of the wefts. So I have to plait it up for the wefts to come out, for the closure to kind of blend a little bit better with the wefts. That's one. Two, you can also rod it, you can curl it. I mean, it's completely up to you. It is wavy hair. I have not straightened this hair. I am very hesitant to, because the closure is not as curly. If I straighten it, I'm afraid that it may just stay a little bit straighter than the rest of the hair. But I have no doubt that this can go straight. But as I've always said, if I want straight hair, I will put straight hair in, or I'll get my straight hair wig. If I want wavy hair, I'll get my wavy hair wig. If I want curly hair, I'll get my curly hair wig. You have different textures for a reason, but if you're looking for versatility and you're looking to be cost effective, go with straight hair. Straight hair can do whatever you want it to do. Straight hair can go tight curly, it can go wavy, and it can go straight because it's straight hair. Yeah, so yeah. So that's basically it for this video. What is that? What are that construction is? But that's it for my video. This is how I wear all my wigs. I'm not into the whole natural hairline and stuff. I'm an old school wig maker, honey. I'm not into this new school stuff. But if that's what you do, boo-boo, then that's fine. My mirror is clean, by the way. It just looks like that. So that's basically it for this video. AnnaBelle on AliExpress. I've also been tagging them on my Instagram as well. Wow, I'm feeling pain. I did abscess today and I'm feeling it. I also tagged them on my Instagram, so please go and check them out. And here what? I'll talk to you guys in the next video. This is David Nagalang, but I tell me I know say AnnaBelle pandem again. Pandem otra vez. Pandem one more time. So that's it basically, guys, for this video, and I'll talk to you in the next one. This is actually a Snapchat makeup tutorial. That's why you should follow me on Snapchat, because I do things like this. I swear you like this. I'm joking. But I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Again, I didn't say it before, but AnnaBelle, thank you so much for sending me this here to review. You guys know y'all the very first AliExpress company I've ever reviewed, and you guys have been blowing my mind ever since. Anything turn up. Anything turn up. I'm gonna talk to Uno in the next video. Big up on yourself. Later. But what's with this glow? It's so beautiful. Yes?